Want to learn how to change your name and picture on Google Meet app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to change your name and picture on Google Meet, first of all, open up the app and get logged in with the account that you want to change a name and profile picture of. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on Personal Info next to Home. Scroll down. Here, you can add a photo to personalize your account, and even you can change your name. First of all, let me change my name by tapping on name below. You can see it's being loaded. Tap on first name and last name and choose a different name for yourself, and then tap on save on the bottom right corner. Go back. You can tap on this profile icon with the camera inside it on the right corner to keep a picture. Tap on set profile photo. You can take a photo or choose photo at the moment. I'm going to choose photo from gallery. You can choose of your own. When you're done choosing a profile picture for yourself, tap on a set on the bottom right corner. You can see that your profile picture is being set. Now you can tap on menu on the bottom right corner. Tap on personal info to see that your picture and name has been successfully changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.